One bike, all reasons, an impossible ask? Not when you've got the Cube design team on the case. The brand new stereo hybrid 120 Pro Allroad is quite possibly one of the most versatile bikes we've ever created, a comfortable, fully equipped Bosch e-bike with the benefits of our acclaimed 4-bar suspension, components specially picked for their off-road ability, and accessories that mean it can tackle just about any job on two wheels you care to throw its way. The included mudguards help keep spray at bay when the weather's bad, whilst the luggage carrier allows you to tackle your daily commute or bring extra luggage with you for an extended weekend tour. We even added a bell, kickstand and front and rear lights powered from the Bosch battery. As for the rest of the bike, it's unadulterated Cube perfection.